So over here, you can see that I have a Figjam file and I got a bunch of sticky notes right here, and I even have shapes right here, and you can see that they are dynamic right here, as you can see. But if I want to copy these out as an image, you can use the copy as PNG option. So to access out the copy as PNG option, you can go around into the file menu, then you can go around into edit, and you can access out copy as and select copy as PNG. So once you do that, you can right click anywhere and then click on paste, and what happens is that a PNG version of the circle is there. So you can see that this is editable right here, but this one is not. You can not double click right here. This is simply an image. As you can see, you can crop this out and as an image right here. Similarly, you can go to any sticky notes right here. You can go to edit, copy as PNG. So let me just go around into edit, copy as PNG, and then press Ctrl V to paste it, and there you go. This has been converted into a PNG as well. So you can copy and paste out anything as a PNG right here. So go around right here, copy as PNG, paste this, then this is PNG as well. As you can see, you can tell by seeing the pixels that has been copied right here, whereas in case of this, they are just vector graphics. There is no pixelation whatsoever, but for the objects that has been pasted as PNG, it has been pasted out as pixels, as you can see. So that is how you can use the copy as PNG option inside of Figjam file in Figma. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.